Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my autumn makeup look. When I think of autumn, I think of burgundies, I think of purples, oranges, greens, browns, and all that leaves inspired colors. So I searched and found the perfect autumn palette. This is the 35M palette from Morphe. It has the most beautiful fall colors. It has all the oranges, all the purples, all the greens, the browns, everything that you need for an autumn look. It's here, right in this palette. And I also paired it with a little nude brownish lipstick because I think the nude brownish lipsticks work the best in this season. So yeah, if you like this video and me, just subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post a new one. I post a new video every week on Thursday, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more pictures and Insta stories. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I already have my primer and brow highlighter on, and the first color that I'm gonna be using is from this palette, this light brown shade, and I'm applying it with a big fluffy brush. I'll be putting this color all over my lid because it's my base color, so later on we could work the other colors on this one. Next, I'll be taking this little flat brush and combine these two shades right here, applying it exactly on my eyeliner line, and just tap it in. I'll be blending with this little fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. Then repeat the process until you reach the intensity that you want. Oh, and by the way, today I'm wearing a sample of the Beauty Blender foundation. Please write in the comments how do you think this foundation looks on my skin, whether if I should buy it or not. For the next colors, I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and taking this shade Maynater right here. And I'm gonna be applying it with a similar brush but fluffier than the other one. Blend it again with a small blending brush. Next, I'm gonna be taking this mauve shade and lightly go over the burgundies. Make sure not to press, just lightly slide the brush. With this little liner brush, I'm gonna be taking this dark brown right here, combined with this one, and carefully do like a liner. Blend them together. Then I want to cut my crease, so for that I'm gonna be using this flat brush and my NARS concealer. Take it with the brush, look straight and press the brush right in the middle of your eye. Then you can cut the rest of your crease and just fill it with the concealer. After I cut my crease, I want to use this orange glitter right here and this pink reddish orange. I don't know exactly what color is this, but I again take a small flat compact brush, wet it a little bit with my MAC Fix Gold Plus setting spray, and dive directly into these colors. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm gonna be taking again a flat fluffy brush and digging the first brown that we used for the upper crease. Then I'm gonna be taking this very little brush and combine these two greens right here and then just tap them there. Then I'm taking this dark green and dark brown and apply it on the left side of my lower lash line. Bring it a little bit up too, so that way you can lift your eye. Of course, blend it out. Then take a little bit of this previous burgundy and connect the downside with the upper side. I take again the NARS concealer and make a little dot right in the middle of your lower lash line. Wet a little bit the same brush that we used to apply the green with, and I'm combining these two glitter greens and then put it right where the concealer is. Then just blend everything again. Taking a beauty sponge, I'm going to shape my makeup in the way that I want. Blend a little bit the edges. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and digging into the Thermoline and Moonstone for my inner corner and brow bone. For the final touch-ups of my eye, I'm gonna be putting some black eyeliner in my waterline, some mascara, and I'll be back. That was it for the eyes. Then I'm gonna be moving on to the lips, and I'm gonna be taking the Kylie lip liner in the shade Caramel, and then the lipstick from Nude Sticks in the shade Go Girl. Okay guys, so that was it for today's look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up so I can know that you appreciate what I do, and write in the comments down below what do you want me to do next. I see you every Thursday here on my channel. Bye guys.